Hey dearies! Welcome back to 90 Seconds English Everyday Session with me, Nidhi, where we learn one smart word or idiom every day. So dearies, today I have got for all of you such a beautiful word of the day, and that is alfresco. What is that? Alfresco. Okay, alfresco. Now what does it mean? Alfresco is basically a word that has been derived from the Italian. Okay, it has been borrowed from the Italian, and it means out of doors. Okay, what does it mean? Out of doors, in the open, cool, fresh air. Out of doors or in the open, cool, fresh air. Now, it is primarily used with reference to eating. Okay, with reference to eating only we use this particular word. Now, you would say, Nidhi, this word seems a little complicated, and how do we use it in a sentence in our day-to-day conversations? So, dearies, worry not, I'll give you an example sentence. So, the example sentence would be, it's a fantastic place to dine alfresco in the lap of nature. It's a fantastic place to dine alfresco in the lap of nature. Okay, that means it is a fantastic place to have food. Okay, in the open air, out of doors, in the open, cool, fresh air. It is a fantastic place to have food. That means to dine. That means to have food in the open, cool, fresh air in the lap of nature. I hope that was useful. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay chirpy, everybody.